Hello everyone, so I'm just going to show you the unboxing of the iPad Pro 12.9 inches. This is the 5th generation iPad. I received it in the mail a few days ago, delivered from Apple. And this is a box what it looks like on the outside. Just going to go down a bit here and show you what the sides look like as well. So there's the Apple logo there. And we turn around here, iPad Pro, Apple logo. So the important thing I think here is just make sure that you check the back, obviously in the right direction, and make sure they actually sent you the right product, because sometimes mistakes can happen. And also check down here where you have the model number, so model A2378, and just check that on Google or whatever web service you have, just to make sure they actually have sent you the right generation model wherever you order it from. So here we go. So let's turn that back over there now. Here we are. So let's just open this now. Okay, so it's quite a tight fitting box. I had to cut a few seconds out there while I got the top off, which is probably a good thing because in transport it doesn't shake around or anything. But this is what it looks like when they actually send it to you. So let's turn the box around again. There's like a little label here on it where if you lift that, you can lift the iPad out quite safely. And then underneath we have the instructions. Not very much really, but just tells you about what to do a little bit with the iPad once you receive it. And also some instructions in French and English, this being Canada. So we take this section off here. The paperwork came in this little cardboard box here, which I removed before I opened the box to show you. And here we have the leads that come with it. Not much really, just a typical charger. And make sure that you check that it's all in order and that the Apple logos are all there. I mean, sometimes you might buy these from third-party sellers and not always reliable what they send you. So, and this is the lead that connects to the charger and to the iPad. So here we go. I haven't opened any of that yet. Okay. So the next step is the actual iPad itself. And if you look at this, it's covered in like a plastic film to protect the glass on the front and also the back too. And again, check the model number just to make sure they have sent you the right one. So let's turn that back around. I haven't taken any of these plastic things off yet because what I want to do next is apply this, which is a tailor-made glass screen protector. I found that JE-Tech or J-Tech or however you say it, they make very good protectors. The last iPad Pro I had, I ordered one from Amazon from J-Tech as well, and it lasted a very long time. Quite robust and easy to apply. And they have all the different things. Just make sure you choose the right generation, because there are a number of different generations they supply. So when we open this one, this will have essentially all the bits and pieces in here to apply the screen protector, so like a microfiber cloth and some stickers which you apply to the iPad. They actually have a video on the internet which shows you how to do that. So that's what I'm going to do next. I'm going to open this up completely and apply the screen protector, and then once I've done that, I'll add on to this video. Thank you for watching so far.